Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and my name is Jet, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create printable affirmation cards in Canva to sell on any marketplace for passive income. This is a great niche to get into if you've been thinking about it. So let's get into it. Okay, so now I'm on Canva and I'm using a free account. You can also do this if you have a pro Canva account. So anyway, Canva has a lot of templates, and this includes affirmation cards or flashcards, and I'm going to use the template that they have on this one. So it's the affirmation cards. You can also search for affirmation cards or flashcards, but if you want a different size, then you can just create a design and then set your custom size. So for here, you want to search for affirmation cards, and then it should be templates over here. And here are your templates. You can use any of this. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm just going to customize this template. Now let's quit that one. So now that we're here, I'm not really going to use the images that Canva already has here. So I'm just going to delete that one. And for these boxes, I'm going to change the color to white and the stroke to dashed, and then just border weight 1. Oops, there you go. So this serves as guide whenever you want to print it. So now you can go to elements and choose whatever graphics or images that you want to include in your affirmation cards, or you can also upload your own, which I did earlier over here. So now I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to put it like this, resize it, and then maybe a little bit here, and then I'm going to crop it this way. Now, I'm going to set the transparency to maybe 52, like that, not so dark. And then I have this, and I can put it over here, like so. And then crop it again, and I will choose this flower and layer and bring forward. And this one, I'm going to set the transparency to about maybe 25 there. That looks okay. And now for the text, I can hit T on my keyboard. That's the shortcut for text, or you can also go here to text and then choose whatever text styles that you want. So for example, I am more than enough. Okay. And then I can change it to, let's say, great vibes. And maybe like this. Yeah, like so. And then in this one, we'll change the line spacing a little bit there. Okay. And there you go. And you can also use your own font. You can upload a font if you're on a pro Canva account, but if you're not, I'm sorry, but it's still okay because Canva has a lot of really good looking fonts. So there you go. You're done with the first one. Let's try another one. I'm going to use this one and then put it over here, maybe like this. Then again, I'm going to crop it and change the transparency. There you go. And I'm just going to duplicate this one. The shortcut for copying and pasting or duplicating images or elements is hold your Option key on your keyboard. That's for Mac. I'm not sure with a PC. I think it's going to still be Option. So just hold that key and then drag this. Drag whatever element that you want to duplicate. So there you go. And then I'm just going to do the same for the text. And change the text. There you have it. And then line spacing, I'm just going to do this. Okay, let me do everything here first. Okay, so now I'm finished with all my 6 images here, and if you want to sell this on any marketplace, you might want to do a little bit more, like maybe 35 flashcards or 35 affirmation cards. You just have to add a page and then or duplicate this page and then do your thing. So it's not that hard because you already have the template here. So all you have to do is duplicate everything and then change the text, and that's it. So this is my affirmation card, and then to download it, you have to choose the PDF print and make sure that you click on the flattened PDF, and you can choose RGB or CMYK. So for digital use, it's going to be RGB, but if you want to print this, it's going to be CMYK. And unfortunately, if you are on free Canva account, you can only do RGB because CMYK is for pro Canva account. Okay, and all you have to do is create a mock-up of all these flashcards. So that's it. This is how you create affirmation cards. And if you haven't had any account on Creative Market or Creative Fabrica yet, just click on the link in the description and you will have monthly freebies. And that's also for commercial use, so you can use it any graphic designs that you want to create. So it's just that easy to create affirmation or flashcards in Canva. Please give this video a like if it's helpful, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions on this tutorial. Until next time, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!